guys, Jeannie here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really fun unboxing for you guys. So I was contacted by the company called Jewlybox, and they went ahead and sent me some of their subscription jewelry, which I absolutely love. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox it for you guys and share with you guys what it's about. So it is a jewelry subscription service, and you get 3 pieces of jewelry every single month, and it is $19.99, you guys. I've gone into stores and paid $19.99 for like 1 pair of earrings. And then they also have a plan to where you can just get a monthly pair of earrings. So if you're someone who really enjoys earrings, why not get 1 sent to you every single month? And they stay on trend with some of the other brands out there. So I went on to Kendra Scott's website, and they had some similar pieces that Jewlybox has. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hop into it, and thank you so much, Jewlybox, for sending this over to me to review. And then they also have a 10% code. So if you use the code GINA, you're gonna get 10% off at checkout. So let's just go ahead and hop into it. So I went ahead and picked out the gold version. You could do silver or you can do gold. You can't do a mix match. You can only do silver or you can do gold. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hop into it. So every month you're going to get a set of earrings. So every subscription will have at least some earrings. So these are the earrings that they sent, and they come in these little Ziploc bags so that they don't get mixed together, which I appreciate. And these are the earrings that come in it. So they are some studs with this little like half flower detail right here. And what is really cute about these is you can turn them into just single studs, or you can attach it and add the little dangle part onto the earring, which I find really unique. I don't own a pair of earrings like this, and I think this is a really unique feature to these earrings. I absolutely love them. Okay, so the next thing in here is a chain necklace, a gold chain necklace. And the first thing that comes to my mind after seeing this necklace, it reminds me of Jaclyn Hill. If you guys follow Jaclyn Hill, she always has this like chain necklace, and I absolutely find it I absolutely love it. One of those ones where you can like adjust the length to have like a layered look, or you can also, you know, tuck it into your shirt like that and just kind of have it loosely hanging right here. So there's multiple ways that you could wear this necklace, and I absolutely love it. I actually have a girls' night tomorrow night with my best friend, so I think I might actually wear this. And then if you're wearing more of like a lower cut shirt, this would be really cute paired with it as well. And then the next thing in here is this bracelet. So it has gold detail, and then it has some cream beads in it, and then it has some light pink iridescent beads too. So what I love about this is it's something I can do on my own, and I don't need someone to help me put my bracelet on. So this is the bracelet right here, and this is definitely my color palette. I tend to go for those pastel purples and pinks and whatnot, so this is absolutely beautiful. So all the things that so all the pieces I got here, I absolutely am gonna be wearing, and I'm so excited to be adding these into my collection, because I think that adding jewelry to your outfits, it just helps bring your outfit together, and it makes you look a little bit more put together. So I absolutely love that. So yeah, I think this is a great bargain, you guys, for $19.99, and then you'll get 10% off with my code. So it takes like $1.99 off, something like that. So I think this is a great value for $19.99. plus that 10% off. So remember to use the code GINA if you want 10% off at checkout. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave their information below if you guys wanna go ahead and sign up. Leave in the comment section below what your favorite piece was from this unboxing. And if you've seen some other unboxings, let me know if you know anyone who's unboxed the silver set, because I'd really love to see what the silver set looks like. So again, thank you so much, Jewlybox, for sending this over to me and giving me the chance to review this. I will talk to you guys all later. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.